our second generation Click AV Plus clip can withstand twice higher blood pressure than the first generation, which is Teleflex. Back to your question about the differences between the Teleflex. First of all, let's talk about the clip because we have the huge difference between Teleflex appliers and Grena appliers. But first of all, about the clip. If they want the same clip, you can sell to them Click AV. But we strongly recommend to represent to customer already at the very beginning Click AV Plus, which is not the copy of Teleflex. This is twice better stable clip on the vessel because of inner patented teeth. This is the main difference between the Teleflex clip and Grena Click AV Plus clip. You may see here on the picture the differences between the teeth. Yeah, this is the Click AV. This is the Teleflex clip. This is Click AV Plus. These teeth are soft. You may hear maybe that this kind of teeth can damage the vessel. No, because these teeth can be also removed with the remover, and we've checked that no any damage this clip leave on the vessel. These teeth graft only an outer layer of the vessel and no damage after removing. But at the same time, twice better stable. Why we need and why we go to the hospital with the Click AV Plus? We promote Click AV Plus for thick vessels, for large vessels, for vessels with the high blood pressure, like a renal artery, for example. We promote Click AV Plus clips for the size with the difficult access and limited visibility. Why? For example, there is a bad visibility of the vessel. And even, for example, I will mention here the double XL clip. So doctor can say, for example, I use XL clip and I am okay with XL. But in cases when you have the bad visibility, yeah, and you have the thickness of the vessel and you can easily ligate with double XL, you can be more, let's say, you should not spend a lot of time for visualization of the vessel. You can grab the vessel with the bigger clip and be sure that all the structure fixed inside the clip instead of XL. For example, during the nephrectomy, they need to reduce the size of the renal vein to grab it with the XL size. With the double XL, no need to reduce the site with the suture. No need to clean, to prepare the vessel before the ligation. The aim of preparing the vessel is just to be sure that all the vessel securely fixed in the clip. With the double XL that we have and double XL, this is the Click AV Plus, no need to reduce the size of renal vein before the ligation. And the clips, yeah? So Teleflex has only standard appliers, open and endoscopic straight appliers. I will talk about the appliers from Grena. In addition to standard ones, if we have the variety of appliers, which only you will have as the distributor, and only you can bring such appliers as Omni Finger or Universal Clip Applier 2-in-1. Only you can offer such appliers for your customers. Listen, for example, they have the clips from Teleflex. We know that any doctor would like to try and would like to have on the operating table the Omni Finger applier. Because this is, if I can say it like that, this is like a toy for surgeons, but seriously, it reduces the time of the procedure because of the angle, because of the articulation. It reduces the time of the procedure and make the surgeon's life much easier. Yeah. Appliers for open surgery, two types, the straight one and with the angle, yeah, and two length, 20 centimeters and 27 centimeters. So two types, straight and angled, 70-degree, and two length, 20 and 27 centimeters. Endoscopic clip appliers. This is the standard one. This one Teleflex has. This is the simplest applier that we can imagine, the simplest for endoscopic procedure. This is the straight one. We have sizes from M to XL. And smaller sizes, M and ML, are suitable with the trocar 5 millimeter. Larger sizes, L and XL, works with the trocar of 10 millimeters. The work length, the standard straight applier is 33 centimeters, and the same version can be bariatric, which is 45 longer applier. These ones are bariatric longer ones, the same sizing and the same compatibility with the trocars. So we have standard open appliers, two length. We have standard straight appliers, endoscopic, standard length, and bariatric length. This next one is the angle 20 applier, the same sizing from L to double XL, and the same variety of length. This one is angled. Detachable. Teleflex also has detachable, but the difference will be that our detachable applier will be two parts. So you will have handle with shaft already, handle with shaft, and separately inserts. Appliers from Teleflex will be three parts. So their appliers, it is also possible to remove the tip. So you will have separately handle, separately shaft, and separately tip with the insert. Detachable endoscopic clip appliers are available in four sizes, and this is can be the cost-effective solution because you're only purchasing a handle and shaft, and you can use different sizes with the one handle and shaft. No any problems with the sterilization. Sterilization is validated, described in the instruction for use. This is the cost-effective solution, on our opinion, if the staff, the medical staff, equipped with the knowledge and would like to experience the assembling, because the assembling will also take the time, but this is the cost-effective solution. Instead of two, you can have only one handle and shaft and use three sizes, yes, of the tips. Okay, detachable ones. Universal clip applier, another one cost-effective solution because you have two appliers in one. L and XL size in one applier, and we can change the size with this, we can change the size with the switching mechanism located here on the handle, and this switching mechanism changing the size of the jaws. So, cost-effective solution, you have two sizes in one. Applier works with the 10 millimeter trocar. Switching mechanism that I mentioned, very simple. Oh, I have it here. The only comment that to switch it smoothly, you need just a little bit press the handle and then switch mechanism. You can switch it smoothly, because if you would like to switch it without, it will be hard to move it. So first a little bit press the handle and then switch the mechanism, which will change the size of the jaws. This one only from Grena. This is a plier which has been inspired by Dr. Diego, which is well-known worldwide thoracic surgeon, key opinion leader. And this plier, we call it sometimes as a cheap omnifinger. It has 45 degrees angle, which is very, very useful for a thoracic procedure. So this is the plier, which is very useful for thoracic procedures. It is available in 4 sizes also. And you see the big angle here, which is very useful on the opinion of the doctor, which exactly inspired us and worked with us to design this plier. This one is interesting for thoracic surgeons. This is available only in Grena offerings. And the most interesting part of the portfolio, interesting for doctors, for surgeons, this is the omnifinger appliers. So you have 360 of shaft rotation, and you have 60 degrees of angulation. Omnifingers, to easily identify them from other pliers, have 2 rotating knobs. First rotate the shaft, second one rotate the jaws. So you have 2 rotation knobs, and omnifingers are available in 2 types: with locking mechanism and without locking mechanism. So for your information, both types are in demand, but locking mechanism is more necessary for the appliers for titanium clips, to ensure that clip will not fall from the jaws. With the polymer clips, let's say locking mechanism is not very necessary, because even if the doctor will slightly close the jaws, slightly move the handle, clip will not falling down from the jaws, because clips is flexible and it moves with the jaws. Yeah, so doctor press the handle, jaws a little bit close, jaws go applicator go through the trocar, and inside open already. So you can press the handle and handle will move the jaws, and clip will be flexible in the jaws. So locking mechanism, let's say, is not necessary, but both types are in demand. So both, we sell both. Some prefer with lock, some without, but let's say without lock, appliers without lock are more popular, because locking mechanism for polymer clips, let's say, not necessary, because clips is securely fixed in the jaws. To identify with or without lock, you will have, so about the ref numbers, I don't know if I need to say so. Listen, the ref numbers 0301, this will be the ref number of clips and appliers group. 0, 3 at the very beginning will mean that this is the click AV. 10 at the very beginning will mean that this is the click AV plus. 0, 4, this is always click AV, polymer clip appliers. 0, 4, this is the appliers. Then you have size, M, ML. Then you have E, which means endoscopic. And then you have omni finger. So omni finger with the X at the end means that no lock. Just easily to identify the product type by the ref code. So with the X at the end, no lock. Removers. I mentioned that we have removers. As of today, we don't have remover, only for double XL size. Removers for open surgery pliers. Look, you will have one remover for 3 sizes, compatible with 3 sizes, and a separate remover for XL size. For endoscopic pliers, you will have one remover for MMLL, one remover for LXL. So the sizing are triple or doubled. Yes, one remover for several sizes of clips. Hero clip applier. This is something unique from Grena. Hero clip appliers has the extended warranty of 3 years. Why? Because in the handle, we've integrated the mechanism which protect both the applier and the vessel, protect it before the big pressure that doctor can or nurse can apply during the ligation. So pressure control system allows us to extend the warranty time because we know that these appliers can work, not can, they work longer because they are protected before them, let's say, over pressure from the medical staff operating. Hero system by default also introduced in the omni finger appliers. Yeah. Double XL size. We cannot tell that this is something new, but still. Just a second, please. Wojtek just told that will join us and we'll talk about the strategy, key selling points. So, double XL size. This is something that worth your attention. We will share with you the materials about the double XL size in addition to this presentation. The materials will include the videos. If you don't have it yet, I don't know. The videos on double XL application that you can bring with your laptop and show to the doctors, in the healthcare facility. We have a couple of videos about 6. We have a good video from the Foundation Provert from Portugal about the using double XL during their nephrectomy. We will also share you the list of procedures based on our customers' feedback that we've gathered for the past 3 years. And the list of procedures is really huge. And double XL, this is the product which wasn't known in the past because this is something new. And now it is extremely developing and the demand is increasingly become very high. Yeah. So this should be your focus also for such a ligation of thick structures, big big vessels such as appendix stump, renal artery, and vein, cystic duct. There was a clip, double XL, just to highlight double XL clip, the only clip available on the market, such a big clip. Only metal clip from the B Brown was available up until now, but this locking mechanism, we can even not compare it to this locking mechanism, which is very, very safe, because we've mentioned that comparing to titanium polymer clips, because of locking mechanism, are much more safer. And just for your visualization, this is the difference between the XL and double XL. The difference is very huge. Double XL is intended to be used with the vessels up to 22 millimeters diameter. So this is the huge clip for huge vessels, or not only for huge and thick vessels. Also, it is good solution if there is a vessel where you can use XL or even L, but this vessel is located in such a way that has a bad visibility. So double XL is the product for thick vessels and for vessels with the bad visibility. Strategy for double XL. First of all, appendectomy, because this is the common emergency. A lot of appendectomies are done annually. So here you can play with the amount. Appendectomy, this is the first procedure for double XL. With double XL clip, you can replace endostapler, which is very expensive, or endoloop. In both cases, you will win, your customer will win, because replacing endoloops, you are saving time, because sometimes they need to use two endoloops to grab the stump of appendix. Also, the staff needs to be equipped with the knowledge. So with the endoloops, you reduce the time of the procedure. With the endostaplers, you have a huge money savings, because staplers are very expensive. And in addition, we produce with the using of double XL less waste, less money for reprocessing the endostapler, which can be used only once for one procedure. Less waste and less spending on reprocessing also. Double XL for appendectomy. Wojtek just joined us. Listen, Wojtek, we are in the stage of double XL clip. What way we will do? I will tell about double XL and you will go to strategy, or you would like to start already?
No. Please go through XXL. Please finalize the product introduction. Hi, everyone. I'm Wojciech. I manage the sales at Grena. Nice to meet you. Olena, please continue.
Good to meet you.
Okay, so about the time savings, if we are using double XL instead of endostaplers. So the price of one endostapler is around 300 euro, and the cost of one of the procedure, we've calculated already. If you will buy the plier, the clips, it will be around 40 euros. So this is the huge cost savings for the hospital if we would like to replace and the staplers during the appendectomy, and less waste, as I mentioned. Omnifinger double XL size can go through 10 millimeters trocar. This is not very up-to-date information. Omnifinger for double XL already available, as I mentioned previously. And Omnifinger for double XL also has the hero mechanism integrated in it. So only pluses. Let's go here. About the introduction, so important to notice the double XL clip is the best variant to introduce the ClickAV Plus technology, because double XL clip, it is big, and during the presentation it is even easily to feel the teeth inside the big clip and feel the variety. Yeah, so when you would like to introduce ClickAV Plus as something new, something different from Teleflex, something improved teeth, better stability, please take with you double XL clip, because double XL is big. You can take double XL and show the difference in sizing. When they see it, it is always better than showed in the catalog. Show them the differences between the XL and double XL. Then take the first generation ClickAV and let them try the teeth inside in ClickAV and ClickAV Plus double XL. And then explain that, look, we also have the study done. Everything is clear, just not on only my words, but look, the difference is very visible, and this clip, ClickAV Plus, will be more stable and more safer. So the set of products you can bring ClickAV Plus, unique appliers, and show that Grena, this is the brand that propose the advanced solution comparing to Teleflex. Advanced clip, the biggest clip, advanced appliers. This is the manufacturer which is focused on the developing of the products for ligation. And of course, this is the quality because you're dealing with the UK-based manufacturer. For the ambitious doctors, for the young generation of doctors, you can also mention that 3 years in a row, Grena has won the Red Dot Award for the design of the clips and the pliers. So for those who know about the award, this will be interesting to highlight. The second, this is the renal vein and artery ligation during the nephrectomy. And the list, as you can see, the list of procedures for double XL is very extended as of today, and a lot of ideas for your doctors for using double XL. Just bring it, show it, highlight that this is ClickAV Plus, that this is this twice better stable clip.
Okay, so Teleflex only has basic appliers, just like everybody else. Okay, they don't have XXL size. They don't have the soft teeth. These teeth, this is important. The teeth is the ClickAV Plus. Let me show you exactly. This is the difference. Okay, this picture shows this part. Okay. So normal clips don't have the teeth. They just have this blunt notches, the blunt points in here. ClickAV Plus has teeth, microscopic, sharp teeth. They don't damage the tissue. They are safe. But what these teeth do is they just grab the vessel so you can't move the clip. So this is the main difference. ClickAV, the sizes is also different, but this is the main difference. ClickAV Plus is the best safety you can have. Okay? So facts about our portfolio in general. We have the highest quality. I say that full confidence. We have the better clip quality than Teleflex. You can believe me. Widest size range from medium to extra large. Unique clip technology. This is unique clip technology. Only Grena. Higher safety because the clip cannot migrate. The clip cannot change position. The clip cannot fall from the vein. Unique clip appliers, higher convenience, and unique XXL size available. These are the facts that you need to keep in mind, you need to remember, and you should promote, okay? So our portfolio should be promoted as a system, not just ClickAV Plus, not just the clip appliers. We promote clips and appliers together because no other company has so many clip appliers, but they can think, okay, maybe we can use Grena appliers with Teleflex clips. No, you cannot use Grena clips with Teleflex appliers and the other way around. You cannot. You use Grena clips, you use Grena clip appliers, period. An XXL size is used to grab the attention, as Olena said. You go into hospital and say, hello, I have new polymer clips. And doctor says, I don't care. I use Teleflex for 20 years and it is okay.
It is tech.
So you say, okay, sir,
Yeah.
but I have something you have never seen before. And then you show him XXL size. This is something no one has ever seen because it's only Grena has XXL size. So you show him XXL size. You show him the teeth on the inside, the ClickAV Plus technology. You show him, okay? Then you talk to him, appendectomy, nephrectomy, radical cystectomy, for example, prostatectomy, okay? The ideas, where can he use, and then you show him the appliers, okay? Use the variety of benefits of ClickAV Plus to tailor the approach, depending on the hospital.
Yes.
We are focused in ligation. We invest and keep introducing new solution. Teleflex does not innovate anymore. Korean, Chinese, only basic, low quality stuff, okay? These are the facts. We are the reference company for ligation. Ligation is safety. So this is XXL size. I don't see my, this is XXL size.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Standard clips have 6. Okay, so this is standard cartridge, large size, and this is XXL size.
Yeah.
So you use one for appendix on the patient side, second one for the patient side, third one for appendix, and you have one spare just in case.